Bonjour, on vient de reprendre la route. Ce matin, encore pas trop tôt, 11 heures. On a bien dormi, on a bien profité. Ça nous a fait du bien. On vient de quitter le camping, donc Saïd. On a payé 105 € l'emplacement et 2 personnes. Non, 105 dirhams. Ça change tout. Vraiment. C'était un petit peu froid cette nuit, mais bon, sous la couette, ça va. Ce matin, on a eu 10 degrés. Et là, les températures remontent vite. On va avoir jusqu'à 28 degrés. Oui, notre ami, voilà, je pense qu'il a la tourista et il n'est pas bien. Donc, un petit peu de repos sera bienvenu. Anto, tu tiens le coup?
Ah oui, hein, c'est fastoche. Apart from the fleet, the police everywhere. And we've got a 60, I better slow down.
Et là, il faut rouler de nouveau à 60. Et avant, on avait 100. Donc, on se méfie. Il faut être parfait sur la conduite et les limitations de vitesse.
Unless you've got a big 4x4 or loads of V8s in it, you can go as fast as you want.
Midel.
Paye de pomme.
L'emblème avec la pomme. Oui, je pense que... Il colle.
To the dust on our boots and the wind in the seat. From Ain Tafak to Mechni's door, we'll ride this road forevermore. Oh, the road is long, the sky is wide. Every mile is a story we ride. From the Atlas peaks to the dunes so grand, we're chasing dreams in this gold.
Une belle route, vraiment. Double voie. C'est magnifique. Il a perdu sa remorque, il est...
Oui. Tu as filmé ça?
Bah, pas l'autre bout, mais...
Underneath the endless sky, sensing secrets stories only stars have told. Footprints fade in shifting sand.
Ah si, ça a cassé complètement. T'as vu? Hein? Faut regarder où on est.
You shine.
au fond de la petite rivière.
Wild and free. Your mystery calls to me. Through the heat, starlit night, you
Encore un
shine
village.
with ancient light. Oh,
Il n'y a rien. Triste. Oh.
free. Your heart beats inside of me. Oasis dreams in mirages glow. A fleeting touch, then off they go. But in your arms I find my way through the dawn of a new day. Golden dunes stretch far and wide underneath the endless sky. Sahara, wild and free. Forever you'll be part of me. Pack the bags, the sun was high.
une source d'eau chaude.
Waved us goodbye, dust on the wheels, the engine hums, a vulture calls, the desert comes.
On doit encore avoir
Through the valleys,
des albales.
Mountain light, guardians by our side. Mist these lights are far ahead, but the stars above are our guiding stare. Oh, the road is long, the sky is wide. Every mile is a story we ride. From the endless peaks to the dunes so grand, we're chasing dreams in this golden land.
Si ça tombe, ça tombe.
Twisting turns and open plains. The scent of earth after desert rains. Local smile, we wave hello, sharing tales as the winds blow. The sun dips low, the air turns cold. The desert whispers secrets old. Our hearts are light, our spirits free. This is the life we're meant to see. Oh, the road is long, the sky is wide. Every mile is a story we ride. From the endless peaks to the dunes so grand, we're chasing dreams in this golden land. Beneath the tires now, the world is quiet, the stars bow. No need to rush, no need to chase. The desert's got its own sweet pace. So here's to the road, to the friends we meet, to the dust on our boots and the wind in the seats. From
Well, we stopped in Rashida, but we didn't like the camping site. They said on Park 4 Night there was a washing machine, but there isn't, so be wary. 20 minutes down the road towards Merzouga, we've come and stopped at Birgits Bed and Bistro. Been welcomed by Mohammed. He's such a joyful character. I think this is going to be the best night we've had in Morocco so far. He's really a funny chap. This is Mohammed.
Mohammed Najari, assistant of Birgits Bistro.
And it's a very good character. I think we're going to have a good night.
Yeah, I hope so. Now I make tea hospitality for my best friend.
Your best friend today?
Best friend from England.
Today?
Today, yeah, for 20 October, 28 October.
No, 28th, yeah. My
20.
birthday, 21st.
You?
Yeah, last week.
Last week?
Last week.
Good birthday.
Very old man.
Even it's light, but 1 week is not more loud.
Oh, no, no.
Green and white, mountain light, champions by our side. Make these lights a foreign, but the stars above are guiding stars. The road is long, the sky
Emilier, mélangé.
Yes.
C'est mix. C'est mélange. That's mélange in English, you have to say mélange.
Mint.
Huh?
Mint.
Meat?
In English, mint.
Yes, that's meat. Sugar and
Ah. And you get higher and higher?
high to make
This is more
make
air. Air.
to make this turban.
Yeah.
Turban, and that means quality of tea. More turban good, high more tea. Look, I show you. That's white turban.
Ah, okay.
That,
That's the white turban on the mousse.
la mousse.
Mousse.
La mousse, plus la mousse est grande, plus le thé est bon.
Ah, okay.
Et la Berber,
Ah,
which profession.
Sucré. I know you don't like
Too much sugar, yeah, just a little.
you need, you can add some.
Oh, c'est bon. Non, là, les sucrés déjà, c'est bon.
Il est déjà sucré.
This is the first tea in Morocco.
For you?
Yeah.
I'm happy.
Yeah.
I'm lucky.
Pas anglais.
Ah oui,
Non, mais
il est malade, il est malade.
français.
Il est
Il parle
malade, c'est
anglais,
normal.
là,
il-
Non, il parle en français.
Ah bon, c'est mon cerveau. C'est mon cerveau.
You are in England. Yeah, in English now.
I'm still in England.
You are French.
Yes.
Leave you as we continue drinking this hospitality tea with Mohammed. As you see, he's a right character. This is your private.
No,
No?
no, it's official for all. Not private. Tu as parlé, Pascal?
Tony.
5.
Une omelette.
Ça c'est l'omelette, ça c'est la salade.